Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD Revolution tool like Additive Pipe, Extrude, Hole, Mirror, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch to sketches and then we create a solid part with the help of Part Design Additive Pipe tool. First, we sketch the section profile on YZ plane, and then the path profile on XZ plane. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and then sketch the rectangle on the vertical axis. Let us add a fillet to the corners. Select all fillets and then constrain them equal. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Next, we sketch the path profile on the XZ plane. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Sketch a circle with a radius of 32.7 mm on the vertical axis. Sketch a vertical line with a distance of 26.5 mm from the vertical axis. Sketch a vertical line at the origin and then convert it to construction line. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, add fillets with a radius of 14 mm between the line and the curve. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the first sketch and activate the Additive Pipe tool. In the dialog window, activate the Path object and then select the sketch. In step 2, we create the cylindrical part. Select the face and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a circle with a radius of 14.4 mm. The sketch is fully constrained. Close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. Next, select the option Up to Face and then select the face. In step 3, we create the hole with a diameter of 14 millimeters. Next, select the cylinder edge curve and activate the hole tool. Set the diameter to 14 millimeters, and for the depth, select the option Through Hole. In step 4, we add fillets with a radius of 5 and 6 millimeters to the created part. Select the edges and activate the fillet tool and then set the radius. The last step is to mirror the created part about YZ plane. Select the body and then activate the mirror tool. In the dialog window, select the YZ mirror plane. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.